Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. I have been feeling super uninspired recently, so I thought I would kind of just play around and try something different. So I am playing with alcohol inks on Yupo paper. I hope I say that correctly. I always manage to say it wrong. But this paper is not a regular paper. It's not like watercolor or mixed media. It's literally a plastic paper. It's pretty transparent. You can see kind of some designs underneath on a different paper below it. But it is intended for alcohol inks, and the alcohol inks kind of just glide across it. You can see them spreading out. I'm using one color here. This is Amethyst, and it's a Ranger alcohol ink. Got from Michael's. You can get them online. You can get them at pretty much any art store. And this is a technique that I actually learned from a friend of mine. Her name is Heidi, up in Oregon. She does not have a YouTube channel or anything, but she makes the most amazing jewelry pieces, and she just does this crazy detail work. She's just an insanely good artist. I will see if she has some form of social media page that I can put down in the description. But the last time I visited her, some point last year, I think it was, she taught me this, and it looks very simple, but the key to it is actually just taking tiny, tiny, tiny bits of the ink. And I'm actually going back and forth a little bit here with sometimes the alcohol ink and sometimes just plain isopropyl alcohol. I'm using 70%. You can probably use a higher percentage. That just happened to be what I had on hand. And the key here is to just dip a tiny, tiny bit onto your paper, or it will spread out more than intended. And this just makes a really cool design that you can use for jewelry. You can use it for other things. It's a lot of fun, and it's actually pretty relaxing to do. So this is, believe it or not, sped up 1.5 times. I just kind of sat there for quite a while and played around with this. You can layer different colors. You can layer all kinds of things. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw some relaxing music on here. And then I'll bring you in for a close-up when I'm all done. guys. So you see how this works, and this is really tiny. I'm going to actually put a little bottle cap here so you can kind of see for a size reference. So imagine that in a necklace or something like that. It just would look really pretty. And this was just one color. You can layer as many colors as you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you all next time. So I uploaded the video, but for some reason the music didn't upload, so I'm re-uploading it anyways. But I wanted to show you guys I actually did more on it after the video. I added more colors, and here I'll put my hand next to it for size relativeness. So still pretty small, but looking pretty awesome.